my channel. Today topic is Indian Navy is the maritime branch of Indian Armed Forces. President of India, Supreme Commander of Indian Navy, Chief of Naval Staff, 4-star Admiral, Commanders of Navy, Blue Star Navy. It is operate significantly Persian Gulf region, Horn of Africa, Strait of Malacca, and routinely conduct anti-piracy operation and partner of other navies region. It also conduct routine 2 or 3 month long deployments south and east China seas as well as western mediated sea simultaneously. Founded 26 January 1950, 73 years ago as current service. East India Company under 5 September 1612, 411 years ago. Country India. Type Navy. Role Naval Warfare Force. Projection Sea Lift Nuclear and Deterrence. June 2019 size 67,252 active 150 ships 295 including auxiliaries approx 300 aircraft. Part of India. Indian Armed Forces Headquarter Integrated Defence Headquarter Ministry of Defence New Delhi. Colors Navy blue, gold and white. Anniversaries Navy Day 4 December. Operational fleet as 2022 2 aircraft carrier, 1 amphibious transfer dock, 8 landing ship docks, 11 destroyer, 30 frigates, 24 corvettes, 1 mine countermeasure vessel, 2 nuclear submarine, 16 diesel submarine, 140 patrol vessels, 4 replacement oiler other auxiliary vessels. Engagement major wars and operation. Portuguese India War, Indo-Pakistan War 1965, Operation Trident 1971, Insurgents Silent, Operation Python, Indo-Pakistan Naval War 1971, Indo-Pakistan War 1971, Operation Laldora, Operation Cactus, Operation Flowers for Blooming, Kargil War, Operation Talwar, Anti-Piracy Operation in Somalia. Website indiannavy.nic.in. Commander-in-Chief President Draupadi Murmu, Chief Defence Staff CDS General Anil Chaukan, Chief Naval Staff CNS Admiral R. Hari Kumar, Vice Chief Naval Staff VCNS Vice Admiral Sanjay Singh, Notable Commander Admiral S.M. Nanda, Admiral Surendra Nath Kohli, Admiral Ram Das Katari. Aircraft flown fighter MiG-29K, helicopter Dhruv Ka-28, Ka-31, Sea King Mk-42C, UH-3, Sea King Chetak, MH-60R, utility helicopter Dhruv, Patrol Boeing P-8 under 228, P-8 Bozardian, Dornier 228, Reconnaissance IAI, HERON, IAS Searcher MK-2, General Atomics MQ-98, Sea Guardian, Trainer BAE, Hawk, HAL, HAT-16 and Virus MiG-29 KUB. Primary objective of the Navy is safeguard nation maritime border and the conjunction with other armed forces of the Union act deter or defeat any threats or aggression against territory people or maritime interest of India both in war and peace of through joint exercise goodwill in visit humanitarian mission including disaster relief. Indian Navy promoters bilateral relation between nations, small battle boats, sophisticated ship, consider multi-regional power projection of Blue Water Navy. History Ancient India ship on lead coin of Vashishtrifustra Sri Pullamavi, testimony to naval seafaring and trading capability of empire during 1st and 2nd century CE. Early maritime history. Maritime history India dates back 6,000 years back. Pre-Indus Valley civilization of Kutch Mariner logbook from 19th century recorded the first tidal dock. India was bullied Lodal around 2300 BC during Indus Valley civilization near the present harbour Mangrove on Gujarat coast. Rig Veda credits Varuna, Hindu god water of celestial ocean, knowledge of ocean routes and describe use of ship having 100 of naval expedition of India. There are also a reference side of wings ship called the Plava, which is stabilized vessel during storms. Plava are considered to be precursor modern day stabilizer. Alexander Great during the campaign in India bullied harbor Patala, his army retreated. Mesopotamic ship bullet Sindhu period after conquest of records show Emperor Maurya, Emperor Chandragupta Maurya, part of his war office, established Admiralty division of many historians from ancient India record India trade relation, Indian trade of reactive Java and Sumatra. There are also reference of trade routes and country Pacific and Indian Ocean. India also had trade relation with the Greeks and Romans. At one instant, Roman historian Caius Plinus Secundus mentioned Indian trader carrying away large masses gold, silver from Rome. Payment for skin, precious stone, clothes, indigo, sandalwood, herb and perfumes and spices. During 5 to 10 AD, Kalinga, Manquad, western of Java, Sumatra and Malaya, Andaman and Nicobar Island served important halt point for trade ship on route off to these nations as well as China. Middle Ages, medieval empire, India subcontinent. Further development the naval forces during 844 to 848 AD. Daily revenue from these nations was expected to around 200 tons, 8 tons, 7.9 long tons, 8.8 short ton gold during 984 to 1042 AD. Under the reign of Rajaraja Chola I, Rajendra Chola I and Klothunga Chola I, naval expedition by the Chola dynasty captured parts of Burma, Sumatra, Sri Lanka and Malaya and simultaneously represent the Marco Polo remark on Indian ship 1292 AD bullet fir timber having sheath of boards laid off the planking in every part, caulked with oakum, fastened with iron nails. The bottom were smeared with preparation of quicklime, hemp pounded together and mixed with oil from the certain tree which is better material than pith. Mesopotamia's thing ship built in Sindhu in the period after the conquest of record show that Emperor Maurya, Emperor Chandragupta Maurya as part of the served important halt point of trade. Ship entered these nations and vessels China. During 14th and the 15th century, Indian shipbuilding skill and their maritime ability to sophisticated enough to produce ship with the capacity to carry over 100 men. Ship also had compartment include their design so that even one compartment was damaged, ship would remain afloat. Future ships were developed by Indians even before Europeans were aware the idea. By the end of 15th century, Indian naval power had started decline to had reached its low by time of Portuguese entered India. Soon after they set foot in the India, Portuguese started seize all Asian vessels, not permitting their trade. Amid this 15,299 naval war of the Bombay Harbour resulted in the surrender of Thane, Karanja and Bandora. By 1534, Portuguese took complete control over Bombay Harbour. Zomerian Calicut challenged Portuguese trade when Vasco da Gama refused to pay custom levies per trade agreement, resulted in two major naval wars. First one, Battle of Cochin, was fought 1504 and a second engagement happened for 4 years later of Dio. Both these war exposed weakness of Indian maritime power, simultaneously helped Portuguese to gain mastery over the Indian waters. However, in 1526, the Zamorian launched a siege of Portuguese fort of Calicut, successfully eliminating Portuguese influence in the city. Later 17th century, Indian naval power observed remarkable revival of alliance in the modes and cities. Hengira was marked major power on the west coast. On the southern front of sovereign Maratha Empire, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaja started creating his own fleet. His fleet was commanded notable Admiral Sidoji Gujar and the Kanaji Angre. Maratha Navy under the leadership of Angre kept English, Dutch and Portuguese away from the Kangan coast. However, Maratha witnessed a remarkable decline in their naval capabilities of following death of Anger 1729. 1612 origin independence. Royal Indian Navy 1612 to 1950. Depiction of Maratha naval attack in 1812 against East India Company ship Aurora. The origin Indian Navy date 1612 when English vessel under the command of Captain Best encountered Portuguese, although Portuguese were defeated this instead along with the trouble caused by the pirates. The merchant vessels forced British maintained fleet near Surat. Gujarat East India Company HEIC formed naval arm of the first squadron fighting ship reached Gujarat coast on the 5 September 1612. This objective was to product British merchant shipment in the Gulf of Cambo and Narmada and Dabdi rivers. As HEIC continued to expand its rule and influence over different parts of India, this is responsibility of company maritime increased too. British prominently operated from Bombay and 1686 HEIC naval arm was renamed Bombay Maritime. At times Bombay Marine engaged Dutch and French and Maratha. See the vessels. First Anglo-Burmese War of the 1824 and 1834 Bombay Maritime become Her Majesty Indian Navy. Navy saw action of first Opium War 1840 and second Anglo-Burmese War 1852. Bombay Marine from 1863 to 1877, after which was named Her Majesty Indian Marine. At the time, Marine operated two divisions, Eastern Division Calcutta and Superintendent of Bay of Bengal, Western Division at Bombay Superintendent Arabian Sea. 1892, Maritime was renamed Royal Indian Maritime, and by the end of 19th century operated 50 ship. Marine participated World War I with the fleet of battle vessel, troop carriers and minesweeper. And 1928, D.N. Mukherjee was the first Indian to be granted commission rank in engineer lieutenant. Also 1928, RME was recorded combatant of status, considered true fighting force. White Ensign Royal Navy 1934, Maritime was upgraded full naval force. Those become Royal Indian Navy. RIN was the presented king color recognition in the service of British ground. During the early stage World War II, the tiny of Royal Indian Navy consists of 5 sloop on 1 survey vessel on board, fish ship on 1 battle vessel, numerous assisted small craft. Personal strength was at least only 114 officers and 1732 sailors. One set of war led by expansion in number of vessels. Personnel by June 1940, Navy had doubled number of terms, both personal and material, and expanded nearly 6 times of pre-war strength by 1942. Navy was actively involved in operation during the war around World War and was heavily involved in operation around the Indian Ocean, including convoy escort, mine sweeping and supply, as well as supporting amphibious assault. HMIS Bombay Royal Indian Navy in Sydney harboring during World War II. When hostiles ceased August 1945, the Royal Indian Navy had expanded to personal strength to over 25,000 officers and sailors. Its fleet comprised 7 sloops, frigates, 4 corvettes, 14 minesweepers, 60 trawlers, 2 depot ships, 30 auxiliary vessels, 150 landing craft, 200 harbor craft and several offensive and defensive motor launches. During World War II, Navy suffered 275 casualties, 27 officers, 2 warrant officers and 123 rating killed in action, 2 rating mission in action, and further 14 officers, 2 warrant officers, 123 ratings wounded. For the role in the war of officer and rating, Navy received following honor and decoration of KPE Mill Knighthood, CP Mill 10 CIE, 2 DSCO, CPE 15 DSC, OBE 28 DSM, 8 OBI, 2 IOM, 16 BEM, 10 Indian Defence Service Medal, a Royal Humane Society Medal, 105 mentioned in dispatch and 118 asserted. Commanders immediately after the war, Navy underwent rapid large-scale demobilization vessel and personnel. From the inception of Indian Naval Force, senior Indian politicians had voiced concern about degree Indianization of Navy and subordination of Royal Navy, all important aspects of Eve World War II. RIN had no Indian senior line officer and only single Indian senior engineer officer. Even by war end of the Navy renamed prominently British Affairs Service of 1945, no Indian officer held the rank of above engineer commander, and only few Indian officers in executive branch held a substantive senior line officer rank. Situation coupled with inadequate levels of training, discipline, poor communication between officer and rating instance, racial discrimination and ongoing trial of ex-Indian National Army personnel ignited Royal Indian Navy mutiny by Indian rating 1946. Total 78 ships, 20 shore established, 20,000 sailors were involved. Strike which is spread over much of India. After strike began, sailors received encouragement and support from the Communist Party in India. Unrest spread from naval ships led by student and worker of Hardals in Bombay. Strike ultimately failed as the sailor did not receive substantial support from either Indian Army or from political leader, Congress or Muslim League. On 21 July 1947, HMS Chowdhury and Bhaskar Sadashiv Soman, both of whom would eventually command the Pakistan and Indian navies, respectively become the first Indian RIN officer to attain acting rank of captain. Independence of end of the 20th century, 1961, Indian annexation go under Indo-Pakistan War conflict. Independent of partition of India, 15th August 1947, RIN depleted fleet ship, remaining personnel were divided between newly independent Dominion of Indian Dominion, Pakistan. 21% of Navy officer cadre, 47% of sailor opted join portion of the fleet which become Royal Pakistan Navy. Indian share of Navy consists of 32 vessels along with 11,000 personnel effective from the same date. All British officers were compulsorily retired from Navy and reserve component, with the Indian officer being promoted replaced with British senior officer. Number of British black and senior officer were invited to continue serving RIN. Only 9 Navy Indian commission officers had more than 10 years service, majority of them only having served from 5 to 8 years. Rear Admiral John Hall had Navy as first Commander-in-Chief, CNC, post-independence, January 1948, D.N. Mukherjee, first Indian officer, RIN become the first Indian promoted acting engineer captain, May 1948, Captain Adjutant Chakravarti become the first Indian officer appointed rank of Commodore when India became Republic on 36 January 1950. Royal prefix was dropped and name of Indian Navy was officially adopted. Prefix for naval vessel was charged His Majesty Indian ship HMS, Indian naval ship INS. At the same time, Imperial Crown insignia was replaced with the Lion capital of Ashoka and Union Jack of White ensign was replaced with the Indian tricolor. 1955, Navy had largely overcome forced independent personnel shortfalls during early year. Following independence of many British officers continued to serve Navy on secondment from Royal Navy. Due to post-independent retirement transfer, many experienced officers Royal Pakistan Navy's first CNC Navy Admiral of Sir Edward, who took over from Hall in 1948 and handed over Admiral Sir Charles Thomas Mark Pisey in 1951. Admiral Pisey also became first Chief Naval Staff in 1955 and was succeeded Vice Admiral Sir Stephen. Same year, the peace of Indianism continued to steadily through the 1950. By 1952, senior naval appointment had begun filled by Indian officer, and by 1955, basic training for naval cadet was entirely conducted in India. 1956, Ram Das Katari became first Indian flag officer, was appointed first Indian commander of fleet on 2 October. On 22 April 1958, Vice Admiral Katari assumed the command of Indian Navy from Karli, first Indian Chief Staff of Indian Navy, with departure 1962, last British officer, second man Navy Commando, Chief Naval Aviation Indian Navy, finally become entirely Indian service. First engagement action Indian Navy was against Portuguese Navy during liberation of Goa in 1961. Operation Vijay followed year, escalating tension due to Portuguese refusal of relinquish of colonies in India on 21 November 1961. Portuguese troops fired on the passenger liner Sabarmati near Island, killing on one person, Anjadip, and injuring another. During Operation Vijay, Indian Navy supported troop landing and provided fire support of cruiser INS Delhi sank on Portuguese patrol boat, while frigates of INS Bidwa and INS Bees destroyed Portuguese frigate NRB 1962 Sino-Indian War was largely fought over Himalaya and Navy had only defensive role in the war. INS Indian submarine which is played vital role of 1971 Indo-Pak War. Outbreak Indo-Pakistan War 1965. Navy had on 1 aircraft carrier, 2 cruiser, 19 destroyer frigates and 1 of the tanker. These 20 ships, 10 were under the rift of other were largely involved coastal battle. During War of Indian Navy attacked Indian coastal city by Dwaraka. Although there are military resource area while attack was significant, Indian deployed naval resource battle caused and deter future of bombardment, and following this war 1960 Indian resolved strengthened profile and capability of armed force. Aircraft carrier INS Vikrant during Indo-Pakistan War 1971 ship played crucial role enforcing naval blockade East Pakistan and ensuring India victory during the war. Dramatic change of Indo Navy capability stands and emphatically demonstrated during Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. Under the command of Admiral Nanda, Navy successfully enforced naval blockade west and east of Pakistan. Long range of submarine PNS was sunk on following attack by destroyer and INS Rajput off coast Visakhapatnam midnight 3 to 4 December 1971. 4 December Indian Navy successfully executed Operation Train, devastating attack on Pakistan Naval Headquarters Karachi that sank of mines sweeper destroyer ammunition of supply ship. Attack also irreparably damaged another destroyer oil storage tank Karachi port. 4 December celebrated Navy Day. This was followed by Operation Python 8 December 1971, deprecating Pakistan Navy capability of Indian frigate INS commanded by Captain M.N. Mullah was the PNS tank. INS Giriban damaged West Coast Bay of Bengal aircraft carrier. INS Vikrant was deployed successfully enforced naval blockade East Pakistan. Sea Hawk as the aircraft INS Vikrant sunk numerous gunboats and Pakistan Marine ship demonstrated solidarity and allied Pakistan United States sent a task force of 74 centered around the aircraft carrier USS Enterprise Bay of Bengal. Retaliation of Soviet Navy submarine trailed the American task force which moved away from the Indian Ocean toward southeast of Asia to avoid confrontation of end of the Indian naval blockade. Pakistan choked off supply of reinforcement Pakistan force which is proved decisive overwhelming defeat Pakistan. Since playing decisive of role, victory Navy has been deterrent force of maintaining peace of India. Region turmoil 1983 Indian Navy planned Operation Lal Dora, feared group 1986 Operation Flower Blooming Indian Navy averted attempted COP 1988 India launched Operation Cactus successfully COP PLOTE Maldives Naval Maritime Recognition Aircraft detected ship hijacked PLOTE rebels. INS Godavari Indian Marine Commander recaptured ship and arrested rebels during 1999 Kargil War. West and Eastern fleets were deployed North Arabian Sea, part of Operation Talwar, safeguarded India maritime hazard from potential Pakistan naval attack and also deterred Pakistan from attempting block in India sea trade routes. Indian Navy awaited flow of sorties and marine commandos fought alongside Indian Army personnel in Himalayas. October 1999, Navy along with the Indian Coast Guard rescued MV Rainbow, a Japanese cargo ship. 21st century onwards, Indian Navy flotilla including aircraft carrier INS Virat escorting INS Vikramaditya it way of home 2014. Indian Navy flood relief operation in the aftermath flood landslide in Sri Lanka. Thank you. My channel.